welcome back to Eating with Nikita. So today we have noodles and wings. I think that's how the young people do it. But yeah, today we're gonna eat these. These are actually Vietnamese noodles. These are not the top ramen or the ramen noodles that y'all are used to. These are actually something totally different. So yeah, let me go ahead and say grace so we can go ahead and get it in. Amen. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just drop the noodle. Excuse me. So yeah, somebody told me, I think it was Wayne Boogie Eats. Wayne Boogie. You know who you are. You told me to put ice in my glass, so how does that sound? Y'all like my setup? Hold on. It look like my table was a little wobbly for a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to these wings. And basically, mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Let me tell you about my night. So, last night, last night, I could not go to sleep to save my life. Was it just me, or did this full moon have some power behind it? Because I couldn't go to sleep. And the funny part is, I was sleeping. It's crazy, man. And I've been getting like this surge of energy to just be productive. Y'all let me know if y'all could sleep last night. These noodles are good. So, I'm just a little tired. But I'm good. What else I want to say? Oh, hold on for a second. Do y'all fry y'all little wing tips? Am I the only person that does this? You know, the kind that comes on the flat. Maybe like this. Do y'all eat this? I don't know, but I like it. So today, I wanted to talk to you guys. And it's basically regarding, you know, your passion in life. And I don't know, I guess with this full moon, it has me thinking, it has me really thinking about, you know, what my plans are, what routines I want to continue doing, if they're beneficial to my future, my career, my aspirations, all of that good stuff. So, I don't know. I've been finding myself really evaluating my life and the people I spend my time with, and also what I do every day, you know, and is it equaling up success? And see, success can be anything to anybody. You can be successful at losing weight, you know, it's a fitness or a physical thing. Or you might be successful, or your idea of success may be, I'm going to pass this test that's coming up, which that's another thing for me. So there are like different, I guess you would say, levels to success and how people measure it. Me personally, I want to be successful in YouTube, you know. And before, I used to be like, I used to come up with like every excuse in the book why I wouldn't record. Like, for instance, the background noise, something that I could not even control, especially when I'm in the house with my kids. So that's just something that used to keep me back. It kept me from recording a lot of times. But now that I look back at those videos, it's actually not that bad. You know, I was waiting for like the perfect time, the perfect setting, the perfect whatever, perfect food, perfect whatever. But it's never going to be a perfect time. Never. And this is something that's been, I guess I would say, daunting me this whole week. So check this out. I went to go get my hair done this past week. And we were sitting here watching movies, right? And there was this movie where this man, he continued going back into his dream, trying to save his dead daughter. But every time that he would hold her, a big cloud would come over the top of his head and then he was zapped back into reality. Basically, he woke up. So he kept seeing, seize the day, right? So he eventually caught on after numerous attempts of trying to save his daughter. And then he finally did just seize the day. Long story short, he ended up going into the ocean and getting hit by a bus. I mean, I'm sorry. He's gonna get hit by a bus in the ocean, but anyway. He got hit by a boat. And guess what it said on the front? Seize the day. So I say this, well, I say that to say this. I'm not saying you're gonna die if you seize the day. But what I am saying is sometimes you're so busy trying to save the next person or, you know, do so much to prevent certain things from occurring. But if you just take time out and enjoy the simpler things, you know, whether it be taking your kids to the park or whatever your way of seizing the day or taking action, getting on top of it, do it. A lot of times we procrastinate, and I'm a big person of procrastination. I say I do something tomorrow, and then I put it off. But like I said, lately I've been in the energy of doing what is popping up in my mind. And this is something I could say I'm honestly passionate about because it gives me a channel. Literally, this is a channel, but it allows me to channel outward to different people who have different walks of life, different goals, or whatever it is that they're trying to do, right? And we're able to connect. You know, some of us, we didn't have the best growing up, right? So all I'm trying to say is make the best out of your current situation now. That's all you can do. Seize the day. And it's crazy how your universe works too, because I've had this, let me see. I've had this magazine. Y'all can go look it up. And I don't want to touch it right now because my hands are dirty, but it's the Oprah Winfrey magazine. And at the bottom of it, it says seize the day. The crazy part is, that's the same magazine that I've been procrastinating, putting onto my dream board or my dream vision, and I still haven't made it. So all you have to do is just seize the day. It's not hard. Do what you love to do. If you like singing, sing. Dancing, dance your behind off. I just feel like with social media, it could be a good thing or it could be a curse. It's really how you choose to use it. You know, use it for good, You want to use it for bad. It's totally up to you. This is some good water. Excuse me. So yeah, I choose abundance, perseverance, success. In my eyes, equals happiness. And also, let's just be honest, financial freedom. I mean, wouldn't we all like to have financial freedom? So yeah, from this point forward, I'll be trying my best to be more consistent and punctual with these videos. Next semester, I'm not doing this just for YouTube. I'm doing it for life, like just for me in general, because I'm kind of like jumping all over the place, but it's gonna come together. But I have these goals of, I'm not gonna speak on it right now, but I am gonna say this. Next semester, I'm only gonna be taking one class because 2 classes is a bit stressful. If you watch my previous videos, you'll see why. You know, I'm not really gonna go too much in detail with that, but I really enjoy getting up here, you know, putting these videos out and waiting for you guys' reaction, y'all's comments, all of that. And I hope you guys enjoy this video of me eating noodles and wings, which I didn't finish 3 of the little wing tips, but I did finish all of the noodles. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it on this note. Seize the day. Don't procrastinate. If it's something that you really want to do it, or you might regret it when you old. Just like that app that's going around with people face, you know, changing their face, making them look, oh, you're gonna wait till you get that age before you realize that, you know, it's too late. You know, you done waited your whole life, and now, I mean, you're not really motivated because you're older. So do it now while you have the ambition, the power, the will. And I'm just going to end it on that note right there, because I felt like that was in my spirit to tell you guys. And I just want to take out this time to appreciate you for loving me. And yeah, that was pretty much it. So until next time, I see you guys on my next video, which I don't know what I'm going to be eating next. If you have any ideas, go ahead and drop those in the comments down below. And until next time, I see you guys on my next video. And as always, be beautiful and be you, because there's only one you. All right, you guys, peace. Y'all, I keep putting my hand on the wrong side. It's this side, not that side. Ooh, child. Ooh. Oh my God. Do y'all see this? This is what happens when you forget to get the rag, but it kind of looks like I just got a fresh mani. You know how they put the little oil on it? Okay, guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye.